Day 20, gotta make a rug, so I'm stopping by Hobby Lobby to get some burlap. And if you know, you know, I love the gray burlap now. And I get about like 2 yards. And then I also went to get some felt so I can get started on the last rug I'll make in my 20s. Hey YouTube, it is day 19 and I want to show you this super cute jar that my neighbor friend Haley got me for a baptism Sunday. And it is color coded Bible verses and it's from Amazon. And ironically, I got this for my best friend for her birthday. And I was thinking about it like 2 weeks ago and I didn't tell nobody, but I was just thinking about it. And I was like, I should buy that for myself. But then I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. I don't know, I was just like, stop spending money. And then ironically, literally without telling anybody, Haley bought me this. It was in a bag on my door. And I was like, that's so sweet. So you can read it when you're happy, thankful, frustrated, sad, anxious, and troubled. So I'm going to try to read one of these every morning like my best friend does. And I love it. So this is not a sponsored video. I'll see y'all tomorrow in day 18. Day 18 is my baby's birthday. Happy birthday, Blue! We are at PetSmart, but they'll get him a toy, and then we're gonna go get a pup cup. Let's get a toy, Blue. So cutesy. What do you want? What would you like, Blue? You're so excited. I'm thinking one of these. Blue, what you think? You like one of these? These are kind of blues. Maybe even that one. I got me an ice cream. And I got Blue a pup cup. But I wanted him to have some ice cream. So I literally got him ice cream. And I know this is not necessarily for dogs. However, I'm gonna take a little bit. Hey. I'm gonna mix a little bit with his pup cup. Back. Okay, now he got a little bit of ice cream in there. Some real ice cream. Good boy. Here you go. Blue. He's really not in the mood. And I just cannot believe it. Blue, it's your birthday. Birthday treat. You don't want it? I also got him this little biscuit. You want the biscuit? He's not in the mood. Well, we're gonna take a break and then go for a walk. Okay, last attempt, guys. Blue, you don't want anything. This, at least eat that one. Yeah. You know what I mean? Day 17, trying out some Pilates. I've never done it before. My cousin's a teacher, so we shall see how this goes.
What do you think about this black table up to the side?
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, because we gotta see that side,
Yeah. 30 pounds. I've always wanted to try this.
Yeah. This might be. Do you think this one right here is too close though?
Maybe. So nice. With Brittany. And Blues. Hello, Blues.
You want a piece of steak, sis? I think it don't have no seasonings on it. You can look at this.
Blue said it don't matter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy, okay? I was like, the trees were like this in the wintertime. I was like, oh.
So summery.
It is. The trees, wow. I also don't like that there was such a little foyer area over there.
Oh wow.
Like, that's all y'all had?
That's it. Day 16, up at church to help set up in the morning, and of course attending an amazing service. It was called Offbeat. Make sure you check that out on YouTube. So the DMA is free. If you didn't know, you know. And this is maybe my 6th time going. I feel like you might as well. It's free. And I ended up bringing some friends from church who have not been, just so we could have a little girls' day out. After the museum, my friends and I went to 60 Vines, and I got the mussels and that pesto pasta. So good, y'all. Hey, YouTube. Look how cute. So I'm chilling. It's Sunday. Just got back. Well, I took like a 15-minute nap after the museum and you know, my fun day today. I really had a fun day with one of my friends, and church was great and all the things. But it's June 1st, and I decided I'm gonna do like a 2-week social media break and just delete it until my birthday. I'll still post these videos, of course, but I don't know, it was such a good day. And then I was leaving and I was just in high spirits, and I was like, ah, man, this would be so fun to do with a partner, you know? Like, I am obviously single, and sometimes I am just like, man, like, I love having friends. I love calling my girls from home. I love just all the friends and the family that I have. And my dog is back. But it's like, sometimes, of course, I would like to be a wife. I would like a husband. So, you know, sometimes just when you get a little overwhelmed with what you don't have in life, I think it's important to just take a break, reset. Again, this whole thing, as I say all the time, is about just gratitude in life and just appreciating where you are, even if you ain't entirely happy about it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do a nice little social media break and just really enjoy my last 2 weeks with my boy. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all tomorrow. Day 15, I'm getting everything prepared to make the rug. I got my supplies that I bought a few days ago. They've just been sitting there because I'm a procrastinator. For some reason, it's like when you got an essay in college and you wait till 11:59 to turn it in. That's basically how I'll be acting sometimes when I have to make these rugs. Like, I really love doing them, but sometimes I'm like, tomorrow. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So I'm just setting up the frame. And I'm doing the bare minimum today. Like, this was a huge accomplishment for me because I just wanted to chill. So I was like, okay, let me spend 5 minutes to just set it up. So remember, small wins. Small wins. And I just have to put this on the nails, and I got an extra piece that I could save for later. And I'll see y'all tomorrow in day 14. day 14. So I got my yarn and I got it threaded and I got my tufting gun. I started to tuft. I think this broke. I think this is broke. I'm gonna flip it on. Nothing. So I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm being stupid. I'm being really stupid. So I had my computer charger plugged up instead of my rug gun. We're good. We're good. Thank the Lord. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Try again, y'all. I'm literally geeked. I was about to crash out, y'all. I was honestly about to crash out. Day 13 was culture night at Social Dallas. We got to meet at our new home for the first time as servant leaders. And this was a meeting that we have bi-monthly for servant leaders just to know and understand and appreciate the culture of Social Dallas and how we contribute and how we impact. And it was so good, y'all. Like, you literally had to be in the room. Like, if you in Dallas, you need to be at Social and you need to join the serve team. I love it. Day 12, I let my rug dry for 24 hours. And here's a cool, fun, fuzzy side that is the actual rug. But the rug, you gotta let it sit and dry. I think I let it dry for like a day and a half, but at least 24 hours so you can make sure that glue is nice and set, and open up the windows so your house don't smell weird. And here I am just trimming it off. Typically I take it off entirely and then just cut it on the ground. But you know, I'm trying to be a little creative with the content. Like after, what day is it, y'all? Day 12? It's been 88 days. You know what I mean? I gotta switch it up. Y'all didn't see me make a rug basically from start to finish. So here we go with the last one of my 20s. Day 11. That was day 11. It's Friday, June 6th. I have a busy day, a busy night. I need to redo my whole entire head. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna do like short, like maybe stop them right here. Now I only got 1.5 packs of weave, and I got curly. And I don't feel like going to the store, so I have to make it work with that. And I'm gonna like literally cut all of these out and redo every single braid. And it's 5 o'clock, and I have a wedding to go to tomorrow, so I have to get it done today. And my rug is not finished. This is their wedding gift. So cute. So I made this rug. It looks so good. I need to trim it a little more. Like I didn't clean up the date, June 7th, 2015. This is their names. Um, yeah, I need to clean this up some more tomorrow. But that'll be in the next episode, so I wanted y'all to at least see it. This is my last rug of age 29, y'all. The last rug I'm gonna make until I turn 30. So that's tonight. Matter of fact, I'm gonna start with the front because if I don't finish, you know what I mean? I could do like a little bun. Ideally, I will wait to do these till next week because my birthday. I want them fresh, but just wetting. You know when you think your hair longer than it is? So I'm gonna cut down here. My hair is not this long at all. But I'm gonna do the front first. So yes. We'll report back. I would not be on camera like this in real life if I could choose. I'm gonna put this in a hair tie. Alright, friends. I'm gonna take them down one at a time and literally rebraid it as I go. So I shall get started on that. And I look so crazy. This is a very humbling documentary. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, it's gonna be day 10, and that's gonna be the final episode. Bye.